Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore the key skills every data analyst needs to succeed. These skills are essential for navigating the data analysis process efficiently and effectively. First, let's talk about technical skills. Excel is fundamental. Mastering functions, pivot tables, and visualization techniques allows you to handle small to medium-sized datasets with ease. Next is SQL. Knowing SQL is crucial for managing and querying large databases, making it indispensable for big data. Python is another key skill. Libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn provide a versatile toolkit for advanced data analysis. R is popular for statistical analysis and visualization. Packages like ggplot2 and dplyr make it excellent for in-depth analysis. Beyond technical skills, soft skills are equally important. Effective communication is essential for presenting findings clearly to stakeholders. Critical thinking and problem-solving skills help you interpret data accurately and make data-driven decisions. In summary, mastering a combination of technical and soft skills is key to becoming a successful data analyst. Developing these key skills will make your journey as a data analyst smoother and more rewarding. Stay tuned for our next video on data collection and cleaning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Remember, continuous learning and practice are key to staying ahead in the field of data analysis. Utilize various tools and resources available online, such as courses, books, and tutorials to enhance your skills. Engage with the data analyst community through networking and attending workshops to stay updated with the latest trends and techniques. By mastering these skills and staying committed, you'll be well on your way to achieving success in your data analysis career.